Jen. I'm just doing up my top. Yeah, so cool. Welcome to this training this week. And just to let you know, I'm going to be building this group from next year. And I'm hoping to get around to everyone on an individual basis by the time we turn into next year, 2021. So yeah, if you do want to stay in this group, as always, you're more than welcome. Hopefully it's still something you would like. It's more so for coaches in the health, fitness and wellness space. I like to help people with their online digital marketing, but you can also, oh, someone's joined me, say hello. I can't actually see who's joined, but hey. And oh, is it Julie? Hi, how are you? Yeah, so it's for coaches who are wanting to explore and completely maximise on the benefits of the online digital marketing world. If you are getting quite tired, frustrated and just run down, really just doing things in a very traditional old school way when it comes to marketing. So offline strategies could be a series of or a combination of flying on the streets, conducting joint ventures with people, doing other things that might mean like word of mouth, things like that. So yes, I've done that all before, and I'm not discounting them as amazing offline marketing strategies, but they're very slow burning. So in order to gain that sustainability and predictability into your business, it's always good, I think, to have the power and also the backup of a system that sits comfortably behind the scenes of your business. So once you've built it, it's obviously done. And you can just switch on, switch off whenever you feel you have enough leads coming through. And we're not just talking about leads, because marketers, like anyone, most people can generate leads, but are they the good quality leads? So in this program, there's a free version and also there's a beta version. If you want to join into that, I'm always looking for my next success story. It's all about really qualifying your lead from a cold to warm to then hot audience, that process you take them through to then obviously have them buy from you. So let's say you want to get people on the phone to see if they are the right fit for you. By the time you speak to that person on the phone, they are hot, they are qualified. In fact, they are expecting you to take payment from them because they would have been through your process. And this is what the online marketing business system does, and that's what I help teach coaches in the health, fitness and wellness space do. So if that's where you are, then great. There's a free version as mentioned. Check out the playlist. There's 30 videos. Don't be alarmed by the amount of videos, but there are quite a few moving parts. That's a free version. Or hey Louise, how are you? Or we can also do a more condensed version in just over 2 hours. There's the beta version. So again, the link's below if you want to book a call and we can have a chat. So this is today's topic, the importance of striking up conversations. This is actually part of the video 4 of the 30 videos. So basically, what I do see coaches see in the health, fitness and wellness space, they get so hooked on the whole online automated version of doing marketing, and I don't blame them. It's so powerful, and we just end up relying on this well built out, thought out system. But the thing is, people or coaches and consultants, they tend to neglect the power of just simply buffering, supplementing and complementing their online system with also organic offline strategies, or in this case, striking up conversations, whether that's online or offline. So it's so powerful, and I think the world we live in today, and I think 2020 has certainly accelerated the growth of going online, being online, having to just do everything online. And we are starting to still miss that connection with people, but I still feel you can easily do this. And I want to give you 3 quick tips. So what helps me really to still connect with an audience online, in this case, we'll refer to an online organic audience, is to reach out. And first tip is to just send a voice note. I mean, we are all different walks of life, and everyone still loves to hear a different foreign language, a different foreign accent, and just to be curious about what the weather is doing the other side of the world from where you are. Just pick up the phone and send a voice note. I mean, people really do, I think, appreciate nowadays just having someone else take the time to reach out and send a message. That's really powerful. And if you are like right now on a low with your generating those high quality leads and clients right now, and you haven't got a system in place, then this is what you can do. Just this is like point number 2. Just set yourself a target that I plan every day, every single day in the week anyway, Monday to Friday. Reach out to 5 new people, or just even 5 people in your already existing world. Some of you, or the majority, might know you can max out to 5,000 friends on Facebook. If you were to, you know, maybe do the last 1 to 2,000 at that 5,000 quota with a real targeted audience, so you're going and trying to friend people who are really in your ideal audience, and then reach out to them that way with a voice note. If you do 5 every day, Monday to Friday, that's 25 new conversations, and then over time you will slowly just see that come through. So you can see the power of just doing something so simple, but in addition to also building an online marketing business system, which I help you do if that's what you want to do as well. So that was the second tip. First tip, voice notes. Second tip, you know, give yourself a target, you know, 5 reach outs a day. And third, it does take up a bit more time in my personal favourites, because I love being in front of camera. You know, obviously we're all here listening to each other right now, but there's so many free softwares that us online coaches can really take on board and utilise to the max. And I love using Loom. And Loom, again, is just a great way to connect in and or on the online world, because again, that face-to-face is what's missing, I think, in today's modern world when it comes to business. Like, even though the power is going online, I'm a massive fan. I've been talking about this since 2014. I've created quite a few courses around going online in the past, but I still feel like the connection is being lost. So yeah, hi Louise, how are you? Good to see you. So again, that whole face-to-face, especially the majority of the clients I've been working with in the last few years, they always do tend to hang out on Facebook. Most industries, especially in our space as well, health and fitness and wellness, Facebook is so powerful. So I just think to send a quick Loom to people to reconnect on that face-to-face level will just do your lead generation into your business like so many favours. It's just amazing. So again, the power, I think, is going online, build a very robust system. What do I mean by that? It's the landing pages or the bot flows, and like you learn in Facebook, and this is what we can go through in the program. But in addition to, once you've got your business set up and working, you can then also complement that with the outreach, and just do a few small targets. Give yourself, you know, up to 5 targets a day of reaching out to people, either voice note or like record a quick Loom, reach out, say hello, and you will never be short of a contact, of a client, of a possible joint venture, whatever it might be. So it's all about just keeping up that momentum, because I think when we all do get snowed under as business owners, whatever it is that we do, the marketing ends up slipping, and really we should be thinking about doing 80% of our efforts around the marketing and trying to get clients in, and then allow the 20% for you just to do what you enjoy. Not like you do 20% of your work, but if you don't have a machine in place and you're just doing things organically, like, you do need to do a lot more work, more so. But if you were to have a system in place and then also the organic stuff on the side as well, then yeah, again, you'll never be short of quality leads and clients coming into your business. So I hope that helps. Let me know where you're at with your business. I'm always here to help. I do free services, like there's a training as mentioned below. If you do want to think about building out this system, I can hold your hand and help you. I've got that beta version. I've got exciting projects coming up for next year, and I do plan to actually grow this group using Facebook ads. So right now, catch me while you can on a one-to-one level, as I do plan to really, well, definitely continue with these lives, but hopefully grow, yeah, this group. I'm actually going to be joining a free 5-day Grow Your Facebook Challenge next week. One of my other mentors is holding it, so if you would like, I'm more than happy to send you the link, because I'll be in that training. It's going to be 5 days of learning how to really maximize the power of a Facebook group. So if you are a coach, consultant in the health and fitness and wellness space, or any type of coach really, because Ryan Wegner, he'll do this training for any niches, multiple niches. If you would like me to send you the link, I can do, and it will tell you exactly how to run a Facebook group and how to grow a Facebook group. So if you're interested as well in that, just let me know. But thanks for watching, lovely to see you, and yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.